Once again, this is going to be the very last chance for you to help your girl or help your boyfriend candidates to proceed on our top finalists. All you need to do is buy some beats, gentlemen. 100 pesos only for expensive beats and 5,000 pesos for the golden beats.
In this second video, we're going to do a little explanation as to beads. Beads are the way that these women win the competition. People donate beads, throw beads up for their favorite contestant, their favorite bikini, their most beautiful they feel, somebody they may know, somebody they may prefer. So beads are the most important thing in judging this competition. You can buy single strands of beads for 100. You can grab a rope of 5 individual sets of beads for about 500 pesos, or you can go all out and buy the gold beads, which are 5,000 pesos per, which is about $80, $90 US. That is how these contestants win the competition here, is the amount of beads they accumulate.
All right, just want to jump in. Contestant number 1 from the Lollipop Bar. Last chance for beads for Miss Mary Joy Portes. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the last chance for you. It's going to be the last chance for you guys to help your favorite candidates to be part of our top panelists. All you need to do is buy some beads and give it to them. This was from Subic Bay. Ladies and gentlemen, last chance for beads for Miss Mia. Yeehaw!
Beautiful woman, big, full-bodied woman. Which one were you saying, JD?
Contestant number 2, Miss Mia from Dollhouse Bar.
10, 11, or 13.
Okay, so we have here gentlemen, contestant number 3. She comes to us also from Subic Bay. Vehicle number 132.
She had a heavy accent. I was surprised.
Last chance for beats for our contestant number 3, Miss Leah Sika. We got the Sur from Lollipop Bar. Once again, last chance for beats for our contestant number 4, Miss Reina Matanda. From Contestants City, 22 years of age, representing Dollhouse Bar. Once again, last chance for beats for our contestant number 5, Miss Guy Gineta. Gentlemen, number 6 from Mega Manila, 19 years of age, from Global Atlantis. Once again, last chance for beats for Miss Eliza Gonzalez.
Gonzalez. There's a lot of beads over there. Yeah.
As I was ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the last chance for you to have a girl to proceed on our top finalists and our next round. Gentlemen, all you need to do is buy some beads for all the girls that are wearing red shirts that are roaming around the area. And more beads, gentlemen. And contestant number 7 from Surigao del Sur, 24 years of age, from Lollipop Bar. Last chance for beads for Miss Junesa Padilla. Conception.
Good. Yeah.
As I was here, ladies and gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging of the swimsuit combinations. Meaning the more beats they get, the more chances of their winning. Beats are available for all the girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per strands of beats and 5,000 pesos for the golden beats.
Cute little smirky, smiley, something going on there. Yeah. Giggle. Giggles.
And for Miss
Yeah, Chaco.
Representing Dollhouse Park, 20 years of age.
I'll wait for 30
Let's
minutes.
squeeze for Miss Mariana Smith. From Mega Manila, 27 years of age, representing Globe of Atlantis. Let's squeeze for contestant number 11, Miss Jan Gata.
Beautiful. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Yeah, that's right, gentlemen. As I mentioned, that's going to be your essence to help the girl to proceed to our next round. All you need to do is buy them some beats. As I mentioned, beats is the only criteria for judging for the swimsuit combinations. Meaning the more beats they get, the more chances of their winning. Beats are available from all the girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per stretch beats. 5,000 pesos for the golden beats. Any more beats, gentlemen? Thank you so much. Once again, candidate number 11 is Jan. Moving on to our next candidate, candidate number 12, also from Mega Manila. 18 years of age, gentlemen, from Avalon Bar. Was the last chance for Miss Ronaline Guerrero.
What do I do? What do I do? Oh, there you go.
Is that right for Miss, man? Thank you so much once again, that is Ronaline Guerrero. Moving on to our next contestant, gentlemen. Contestant number 13, also Chubs us from Mega Manila, 21 years of age, representing the house bar. This is for Miss Marimaya. And to this. And as we say for the last element, contestant number 14 from Calbayan City, 29 years of age, representing Lollipop Bar. Let's ask for Miss Carmina Ramos. This is the only criteria for judging, and this is going to be the very last chance for you to help your girl.
There'll be another chance.
To be chosen as one of our finalists. That will be announced later on tonight, gentlemen. Again, I'm giving you a chance. Last chance for bids in 10. Order to contestant. Number 11.
I think we have a winner, an early winner prediction here.
Is there any more bids? I will give you the very, very last chance, gentlemen, to help you girl. We'll be setting last chance for bids in 10. Last chance for bids in 9. Last chance for bids in 8. From the house bar. On to that. Another golden bids for candidate number 13. So going right now, 1 golden bids for candidate number 13, 2 golden bids for candidate number 11, and 1 golden bids for candidate number 5.
Already getting
Any more
crazy.
bids, gentlemen? Any more bids?
Out of
A
control.
total of 2 golden bids for our contestant number 13, and 2 golden bids for our contestant number 11, and 1 golden bids for our contestant number 5. Last chance for bids in 5. For our contestant number 13, Miss Marimaya Angeles. Yes.
What'd we end up with, Milky?
Hold up, gentlemen, another golden bids.
142. Nice. All right, brother, I'm out. Thank you. See ya. It's still going on, you guys. It was getting out of control. The golden beads were flying, but I can't wait. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go home. I gotta get prepped up for pool league here in a little bit. Plus, it's hot as hell. So, crazy show again.